Step 1. Section off a triangle section from either side of your recession and create 3 ponytails with the hair. Step 2. Make sure one ponytail is higher than the other 2 and loosen any hairs around the face and create more volume on the crown. Step 3. Rope twist each of the ponytails. To rope twist, twist both sides of the hair to the right, crossing right over left, and secure the ends with elastic. Step 4. Place and secure the rope twists into your required shape using pins. Step 5. Loosen and pull out any spare hairs. Step 6. Detail the hairs around the face using the touch iron to create softness and texture. Step 7. Pinch the top area of the hair using the touch iron. This will give you more definition and texture. Step 8. Finish with your favourite hair accessory to embellish the look.